Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you what's inside my ALT Manila Madrid bag. So if you want to know what's inside my bag, please keep on watching. So before I show you what's inside my bag, a special shout out to my dear friend Jackie Guarin. Hi Jackie! So this bag I have bought from the brand called ALT Manila, and I did an unboxing detailed review of this one. So if you haven't seen that, I will link that on this side. So now you can see this is a big bag, and this is lightweight because it's made from nylon. And I will show you, happy to show you what I have inside or what fits inside. So in this front pocket, I currently have an alcohol bottle and a small tissue packet. And on the inside, let's open the bag. So this one. So if you can see very closely, hope you can see. So this is how it looks inside my things. So you can see there's still a plenty room left to place things. I think I've put enough, but you can still put as many if you want to. So in the inside pocket, I just placed a wipes, and then on the back area I have my phone, and then I can put my sunglasses in there. Then so a small umbrella. Then I have my reading glasses there. Then I have here small notebook, and then I have my fan because it's too hot here in the Philippines, so I bring this with me. And then on the sides, on the pockets area, I have my sunscreen with me, Pond sunscreen, and a snack, almond snack. This is a cute plastic container. This you can reseal it, resealable, and it is a design of a jar bottle. So cute. So that's my snack, and I have my small pouch in there. So this small pouch, I don't know if you can remember, this is my pouch that I have from my other video. I have made a video of this one. I will include the link in this area if you haven't seen it yet. So this is a small pouch, a bit bigger than the mini pochette, but I put here another alcohol bottle that's almost used up. Then I have a small notebook with me, a pen, and my parfois wallet. So if I just use this wallet because I'm really enjoying the small wallet, but if you have a big wallet, I think it will still fit inside. If you have an organizer, a notebook, big notebook, I think a small 14-inch laptop would also fit in there, but I would have to check because my laptop is a bigger, I think it's 15, I'm not sure. I will try if it will fit, what laptop would fit inside this one, and I think it will hold the laptop very well because of the material. It's a thick nylon and it's looks very durable as well. I'm really loving this bag, and I think this will also be very useful if you put your things here. If you have weekend overnight with your friends, put your shoes and some clothes in there. Would also fit, I think, because you can see that this shape is a trapezoid because of the bottom is really wide, and you can place more things inside, many things inside, without it looking bulky because of the shape. And I'm loving this one. Loving also the zippers. Looks very high quality with chain, very classy. And also put some of your charms in there. I haven't placed my charm in there yet for additional design. But the classiness of this one, the simplicity, really made me purchase this one because of its simplicity and classiness, and the versatility, the ways you carry it, the way you use it, you can easily clean it, and of course this anti-theft feature. Wherever you are in the world, it's better it's better if you are safe and you're ready than sorry. So you put safety things inside your bag so that it would protect the things inside. Of course, we all work hard for our things, and of course we have to take care of them as well. And these are all what fits inside this very gorgeous and versatile bag. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Please subscribe and thumbs up, like, and always let's thank God for his blessings. See you next time. Bye.